Yeah, gano'n wala yung tuwero ko.
Na?
86.
Nawala?
Oo.
Nice.
Oh well, let's use Paul Walker.
Let's just pull
Skyline to
Walker.
the sky.
The
I'm
fuck?
gonna use Paul Walker, skyline to the sky. Oh,
Wait, punta ako sa isa kong garage. Kunin ko yung other car.
wait. Sa akin ba or sa'yo?
Ikaw, saan mo ba gusto? You can ride sa akin.
May kaya ka na?
Ah, wala pa. Ah, sa'yo.
Let's set up.
Sige lang. I'll get my other car. Ah, puti.
Arena war mo.
Ah, that empty ass, garage that you don't put shit on.
Ayun na nga eh. Hindi ko pa na nalagay. Kasi nagpapa-upgrade ako.
Nice.
Know what? Upgrade ko pa to.
Go. Why not?
Let's go with the initial this tayo.
You'll really notice the difference with that.
Lakas din pala ng kapit na ito.
Yung alin?
Brakes na itong 86.
Ay, ba? I haven't.
Yeah.
Ano that? I'm getting my virtue. Halos lahat ng kotse ko doon na sa ano eh. Sa airport na garage. Dito ba? Tayo na, F1 dito.
Ay, nabangga pa kung kailan malapit na.
Yep, andito nga yung virtue ko. Okay, I'm coming to you. Whoa!
Raise up now, motherfucker! Well, Dios mío.
Oh my god, Jesus is driving. I just realized.
Ha?
May sinipa akong sasakyan. Tapos yung nag-drive kamukha niya si Jesus na nakabini.
Gago.
My last trip after this possible 8 meeting. Wanna come?
Gagi, ang dulas ng sa akin.
Tayo puro drift eh. Drifting car eh. Eh.
Uy, putik na Ford GT na yan. Oh,
Ayun o. Brace magkano? Pag hindi ko na kaya i-handle, biglang nag-drift.
naka ano ba yan? Ano bang build mo? Oh,
Hindi. Nakastock lang yung ano.
ay ba ba?
Oo.
Oh.
Pare ko. My car.
Ayun no. Gago, parehas tayo di makadrive. Oh. Oh, takay na ito. May team damage ka ba?
May?
Naka-on ba yung team damage mo?
Friendly fire?
Ah, hindi, diba?
Hindi. Subukan mo. Kung dating ko to.
wag.
Bilangga ako.
Uy, wag! You mother!
Damn. Parang kotse ni Paul Walker nga.
Gag. Okay, ito. Gag. Oh, you motherfucker!
Ay, sama ka ba?
Sige, dito na lang. Antayin ko yung ano mo, go signal. Manununtok na lang ako ng tao.
No need.
Ayun.
Transformers, robots in disguise.
Ayun. Ah. Uy! Uy!
Bakit?
Kawawa yung babae.
Oh well,
Sinalpok
Women.
kamot yung coach. Uy, gago.
skill issue.
Skin issue.
Oh,
Nice.
saan paano nangyari yun?
Uy!
Ha?
Huh?
Di ba?
What? What is happening?
Pagkadaan na, di pa ako nakadaan doon, biglang sumalpok. Skill issue. Sa pagdadrive eh. Oh, tingnan mo, ayun oh.
Uy, what
Oh.
the is happening?
Di ba? Sabi nga, sa'yo.
Uy, andito pala yung gun van. Oh!
Fly!
Bruh,
Ano ko,
this...
nararapan eh. Uy, si Optimus Prime!
Uy!
Optimus Prime!
Siya nga yan.
It's fucking Optimus Prime!
What the fuck
Wow, ano kayo? Si Optimus Prime! Oh, hindi yan yun. Si ano yan? Gagi yan yung ano, sino yung sa ano?
Okay, kaya mo yan.
Yung Prime din.
Sentinel Prime?
Prime din siya tapos truck din siya eh. Ayan si Sentinel Prime.
Ah. Uy! Andito na din tayo.
Yung trailer.
Ga!
Boom!
Okay. Yung aeroplano ha, yung aeroplano.
What? Airplane?
Ah. Gago, sinabihin tayo drop yung weapons, wala naman tayong weapon. Gago.
Ito weapon oh.
Uy, gagi, nababaril na ako.
Mababaril ka na?
Tangin na talaga.
Boom! Parking.
Gagi.
Ikaw magdadrive?
Ano naman?
Pero magdadrive.
Ako na lang. Andito na din muna ako.
Rocket man.
Layo naman ang pupuntahan natin. Gagi.
Pindot tayo yung F, bibilis yan.
Ah, talaga? Naka-controller ako, fuckboy.
Pindot tayo yung Y, bibilis yan.
Fuck you. That's not gonna work on me. Uy, bridge oh. Bridge oh.
Hindi mo nga.
Ayoko.
Bina mo.
Sayang oras.
Uy,
Sayang.
Twin Tower oh.
Yung gagawin. Tangin na talaga nito. Twin Tower. Ito ba? Shit!
Tanga. Tanga mo mag-drive.
No,
You
no.
really fucked up this time.
No, 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 no. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Ha?
We're good. We're good.
Partida naka-controller ah.
We're good. We're good.
So paano ba ito gagawin?
Well, ulit. Ayun. Uy! Sasabog yan.
Ah! Taas man na. Uy, saan ka papunta?
Wait lang. I have to lift off my guy.
G mo na agad. Yan. Turn left. You're really fucked up that.
I know it's bad. Shut up. God. Hindi ba tayo sasabog?
Nope.
Oh shit. Pre, ayun. Whew! Kala
Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
Kala
Don't mention anything. You really fucked up that time. Okay? So, don't mention anything.
Oh, na, hindi na.
You two assholes be on time for once, eh?
Gago, dude, why the fuck do you look like you have herpes or some shit? That's some next level pores that you have on your face. Gago, hindi ka makinis.
Get over there. They will bring it soon.
Even though.
Oh wait, yeah, dude, you do have herpes.
Huh?
Your character looks like you have herpes.
Because you are disguised as smuggler.
Oh shit! Please.
Kill issue.
Okay, I'm fine. I'm surviving. Note me.
Namimili ako ng kanta dito eh. Oo.
Gagi.
Ewan ko. Nahuli na ba ako? Ikaw pala yung nahuli.
Ako yung nahuli.
Kill issue.
Fuck you.
Taking lang ako sa cellphone ko. Namimili ako ng kanta eh. Dapat na ba tayo? Ay, malapit na ba ako? Sing forever. Put it all.
Access. The app is on your phone. Let us take a look.
Ay gago, may napatay pa ako mga ano. Nice. Walang painting. Ito, gold.
Puro cash.
May gold down nakita.
Didn't your parents teach you manners?
I just got lectured by an Asian woman. Drive ka? You!
Wait. Ano ulit sinabi mo?
Ikaw ba magdadrive?
No?
Ah, okay.
Before that?
I got lectured by an Asian woman. Just by walking by.
Jesus Christ.
You bitch, I swear to God, no! No! You bitch! Fuck you! Uy!
Gago, yan. Mas Makati, mas Makati. Meron pala dyan.
Deserve.
Meron pala dyan.
Deserve. Deserve.
Stop! I'll shoot!
I know.
Wait!
Bilisan mo!
Asan ka? Huwag ka magulo! Huwag ka magulo!
Bilisan mo!
Go, 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 go!
Get off my car! That's my car!
Sino? Ay, guy! Namatay ka pala.
Namatay ako?
Namatay ka ba? Or did you run?
Namatay ako? Namatay ako? Run!
Gago. Yan. Sige, sundan mo lang to. Okay lang yan.
I'm lighting McQueen.
Kachaw!
Kachow!
Sige,
Look,
tuloy,
mom.
tuloy mo lang, tuloy mo lang.
No hands.
Di ba, ano, somewhere at the front? Yan?
Ato.
Ayun.
Yep.
Casino.
Let's go to casino. Anyway,
Tangin ng mukha yun.
ito ang issue natin.
Ano?
Naka-chopper tayo, wala tayong kotse mamaya. Parang ganyan, no?
Tayo na, dude! Oh, I hate you so much!
Superhero landing.
I fucking-
Superhero landing. Superhero landing. Let's go with the superhero landing. Hey!
Watch. Yeah! Woo!
Ayun, wala tayong kotse.
Ah, wait. Magana ako.
Na, corridor. Yun, buong shit. Ayun lang, wala na pala akong snacks.
Ako meron. Kailangan mo?
Pangino, paano ibibigay yun?
Pwede yan i-drop.
Ay, ba?
Pwede yan i-drop.
Nah, maybe later.
Wait, army, wait, army. Hanap pa tayo dito.
He drives yellow Lamborghini. Hopefully he does not lock the trunk.
So it's this one.
I will look for his plates.
Ay, it's
Kailangan
pretty
gawin mo
ano,
muna yan.
I think it's this one. Oh, no, never mind. So it's this
The other one,
sa
sa dulo sa dulo.
Oo.
Ayan.
Yoshi. It's this one. Putik. Yaman-yaman mo. Tapos yung dinadrive mo, ganito. Actually, this is a Devil Z. Is that
I
it?
guess correctly. It was in the trunk, yes? Okay, now you need to find his suite. It will not be so difficult. Look for the trained killer standing outside.
Look for the train killer standing outside. Oh, you bitch. Okay na? That's it?
Pasok
Now,
tayo.
as my uncle would say, they also cannot hear you when they are dead. Hey, why say?
Ano ba yan?
But the guards on the inside will be very much alive.
So, if
Wala akong may
518,
guard dyan eh.
518, motherfucker.
Running guard.
I don't know, I just went in.
Hindi, meron pa yan.
Yeah.
Use the photograph I sent you to identify them.
Oh, shit!
Dito yun eh.
Dude, I died and you just say dito yan.
Ay, gagi. Binabaril ko sarili ko.
Nice.
Pagbukas ko sa lab. Pagbukas ko CR, akala ko may tao. Putek na yung scam ako. Pang ilang salamin na to. Sa baba.
Did that guy just yell gonorrhea?
Uh,
The fuck? Wait, I can breach. I can
Puta ka
breach
rin.
for you. I can breach for you. Never mind.
na... Holy shit.
Yala! I killed innocent people. That's fun.
Ba't ka papatay ng inosente?
Do you have them?
Masam...
Now get out
Masama yan.
some distance from the casino.
Gagi. Uy, tara na!
Happy birthday!
God! Ano, habang nag-aim ka, press G.
Nice.
Bobo!
Actually, sa bilis yung ginawa ko na yun. So, thanks. Mas mabilis yung ginawa ko na yun, so thanks. Oh, bilis ka ako nakalabas eh. So, thanks.
You're welcome. Ang ina, natatawa ako sa'yo, Philip. Putik.
Let's go, let's go.
Go. My car is here sa front.
Sige, paano may lulubog yan?
Ay, sige. Where you at?
Dito. Psych!
Tatawa na talaga.
Okay, nabasa ka pa eh. So, nasa pasakit ka ko?
Pink ko. Hindi pa drive.
Mali yung calculate ko.
It's proof na bobo ka sa mat. Okay na talaga. Nice one.
Nice parking.
Tangay na talaga.
Well, pink.
Tangay na talaga nito mag-drive parang... Gay ka? I'm here.
Lang, pinapark ko pa to eh.
Galang.
Pre, ano to? Sabi mo ako?
Ha?
Eto, alam mo to?
Only chance to hack inside. More bad news. This is being held by his head of cybersecurity in his archives.
Wow.
We don't know
Cybersecurity, sir.
only the
Pag
people on
ganun.
the mainland. So first things first, we find them.
Oo nga
The
nun.
GPS location I sent you.
Ayaw mo mag cybersecurity?
the fuck? Pre, ang hirap ng Sisto. What the fuck? What's the cybersecurity?
Takay na talaga. Uy! Ano naman? Gago, mamamatay pa ako sa ginagawa mo.
The current location is documented
Nice.
on the computer system in this warehouse. You must avoid surveillance cameras or destroy them, or just kill the tower. There will be circuit boxes.
Ay, gago, nakapasok nga pala ako.
Did you let the camera see you? Now the security teams will know you are coming. There will be security.
Oh yeah, I remember I didn't have
You are not seen by the
armor.
cameras.
I mean,
You have
food.
element of surprise,
Nice.
yes. Judging from the gunshots, they have seen you. Find the terminal. Anything. A laptop will do.
Dad,
We must
look
hack
at
it and find
me.
the archive's current
Keep
location.
back and
You
talk
see the
to me.
complacency of American cyber industry? The security is massive.
Man. Oh, we can take this shit.
Yep.
Actually,
You... Get in.
get in.
You bitch! You bitch! Fuck you.
Yes. What the fuck? What's that? We have Dominator here, brother.
Oh, gago. Yung fuck!
Kaso hindi marunong burnout.
Hawakan mo yung W and S mo at the same time. Hindi yung spacebar. For burnout.
Ha?
W and S at the same time. Hindi spacebar.
NS?
W at S. Pang burnout. Yung forward and ano mo. Yan. Ganyan mag-burnout.
O ano? Uy, wag si Optimus Prime. Hey!
Sorry! Sorry!
Part of my plan.
Napaakta nyo.
Buti lang, meron pa isang Dominator dito.
Meron ba?
Oh. Oh. Nice.
We're taking the soccer mom ban. We're taking the soccer mom ban.
No, we're not gonna take that. We're not gonna take that. We're gonna take this.
Ah! Ako yung namatay. Gago. Di ba yan yung rental ni Michael? Nung kinuha ni Jimmy yung sasakyan.
Yep.
Boy, pa
gusto ko.
truck.
Kill issue sa pagdadrive. I want this.
Oh, fuck you! Let me get up! Dude! Makamatay na ako! I'm gonna fucking die, dude!
Sakay ka sa likod.
Ayan. Let's go! Uy, gago! Ano, iyon ako!
Yeah, no.
Uy, na to. I'm gonna die! Okay. Tara.
6-seater pala to.
Yeah, dude. Ano?
Burnout.
Pati ba naman to binurnout? Jump!
Burnout.
Jump! Takan ang pangit. Ang pangit ng talon. On the left. Turn left. Pwede mo to sirain. Nice.
Mainit ngayon.
Gago. Lapitan mo. Painit ka.
Wait lang. Skill issue, hindi man lang binaril eh.
Ay, binaril ko? Bobo
Hindi
lang.
naman tumama.
Ay, tumama! Okay na. I have proof. Ah, ito. Ito. Ayun.
Do you have it? I suggest you leave fast.
Run, 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 run!
Ben burnout ah. May boost.